We don't know what she go through, you know, over Portmore, you know, behind these people, them, you know. See, as them take the phone from her, she take her medication, she knock out right there, so with it.
Drink till I feeling numb. Me no need friends and me no like favor. I go drink till I
I've been drinking rum all night. Me and my friend them building the vibe.
Yeah, man, guys, welcome back to Tea Time with T. Happy Friday, everyone. So, Lisa Ipe's cousin went on a live and he's basically giving us an update on how she's doing and what's been going on, and they're also, you know, basically I tell you the reason why she chip out. So if this is your first time on my channel, subscribe for the latest updates, leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. Check this out.
Follow up her thing and look how much people get bossed in her car. She run up and down behind them, you know, bro. Run up and down behind them, you know. And she mental, she have a look. So when certain things it affect her. Yeah. You get what me I say? There are certain things where she now come out, come talk. But we as a family know. Remember, she's a musician, brother. You get what me I say? We no follow music. She follow music, bro. So, the thing is, and she don't really have no, like, she no, matter of fact, she don't really have no, like, no body round her, like that. You see me can't follow Lisa like that. But when things get wrong, we go around her, because I love my cousin, I'm my cousin, bro. You get what I say? So listen what I say, Bridging. Listen what I say, Bridging. Lisa, alright, one of the people them just come off her name, brother. Yeah, she do whole heap of thing wrong. She do whole heap of thing wrong. But I know she said with the lady attack, the sickness where she have, she will tell us she alright, but she don't alright, bro.
I don't know how long you're there still in about this alive and if you bash Lisa and I'm a general.
No man, no, I listen to the whole of man. The whole of talk good, man. Even you talk good. So me just want to show you, said not on the live, you have some people, music or some music thing go. You get what me I say? Even some of the interview them where them should do. Some of them just want views and you know the thing go, but
yeah.
Me I listen to the whole thing and me I listen to the lady them pan this and nobody na bash her. But I want to understand say means like a mere way I say, oh, you want a family. I could have just there watch her now. You understand her now, say no, but listen.
But one of the things I'm glad you said, so me know, alright. No, I am at peace now for hear you come up as a family member and say, yo, she's okay, she's doing okay right
now. Yeah, she's alright, bro.
You get the necessary help. And that is what this life is about, my general.
Yeah, because watch her now. Watch her now.
But get her.
Yeah, no. Be honest with you, be honest with you, I'm not style the thing, man. Me I listen to the live, and that's why I'm really coming at the box, because me no normally do them thing, but she alright, bro. Listen, man, she good. What I mean, enough people don't know, say, because them not see her go live. When them want to see she go live and do be a foolish, and then she a do it, bro. The sickness where she have. You have a time she come like she good, and then you have a time she just chip out back again. You understand what I mean? So, one the world know say, yo, she a take her medication now. If you even see Lisa walk up and down with the bag them and I move her around, she have the medication in the bag them, but nobody though there on her for force her for take it.
Yeah, got you.
As the police them grab her and she reach in the station and hold on her, she take the medication and so she knock out. And if you see one at a time she go live and say, yo, who them now want me go foreign, this, that. And you see as them take the phone from her, she take her medication, she knock out right there, so they do it, but she don't want the injection. So she have the pill them, so she take it, we can get for bring her to university, and she alright now, so we just want the world know, say she good, bro. And people them plus stop follow her up, brother, you know? She alright, bro, but everybody attack good and me, the lady them attack with sense, cause some people know about mental health. So she not have nobody round her like that. Remember, she's a musician, she all over the place, you know. And everybody we have some of our family members, them have things to do. Them have them life to deal with, them have other things, but we see it get wrong. So family there on her, whole heap of family there on her, she alright. I just one of them things there, bro. And she have me and you were the pan we are talking now, and we are watch. Me and you, as a family, we don't know what she go through, you know, over Portmore, you know, behind these people, them, you know.
Fox.
And end of the day, them a bring her up and I say she a Gaza mama. The man who run Gaza say she a Gaza mama, she a this and that. Gaza mama, you have no official say a Gaza mama. Come on, bro. Them thing they go lick her chip which you done trouble with it already. Understand? Just like you know, you over there on somebody and you're there on somebody and run up and down for years for me and look a girl and you know, so you want to run, me just explain. So you don't want to run there and somebody so much years and now, no, you don't must want. You understand what I mean? You don't must want to leave the camp. I just one of them things that when somebody loyal to somebody, it's even hard. Worse, him there run off from your child, bro. It's hard. So I just one of them things there, brother. I just see her fit. I notice anytime she go around them people, me here say, them for reach out to her. We don't want nobody reach out to her. Me and the family and we are family, we don't want Kartel her nobody reach out to her. Them for just leave her alone. Cause when time she not go around them, she alright. Notice another first she take her. Every time she go around these people and she try to get at the bus where she get on the big highlighter, she do two local song where start chen. It start molest her. It's like she don't need for go, we don't want she go around them. She will just stay by herself, stay with her family, them, do her music cause she's a talent girl. She have her name already. Do her thing and just leave them, but you understand as what I say she need people around her way. We can force her to do these things. She feel like say she don't. She feel like say she need them. She don't need them. That's how we fear her thinking because remember she grew around them. And everybody grow around family. You have some people grow around the street and you have some people family. You understand what I mean? Yeah. So I one of them thing there, bro. I just one of them thing there, but we don't want nobody feel like Lisa and a family. She have her family them, bro. And me as a man who come on this, I hurt me can see me I come on this, bro. All I will love her. All I will love her and she have people love her too. Cause me, in her 60th, me always there on her. Every time she gets sick, me always run go around her. When I hear somebody interview with them, I say, yo, I want to want somebody can, where is me I talk to you now. You get what me I say? Yeah. And me alone can control her father. Notice she come around, Lisa don't want to see her father. And everything good for that, there are certain things where reach her. Yeah. When she even say, when she even come over and say her father rape her, nothing like that. And the sickness. That ain't nothing like that. And no rape her, no. She talk, even her sister when named Tasha, she bring down Tasha. She all this all being a man no do her nothing. People for understand she had the sickness. You get what me I say? Yeah. But the end of the day is when me I say, fam, me hear the girl them attack. Bro, Lisa, she will overcome that, brother. We don't need her to go around nobody. She just go by herself, do her music by herself, because she talented that she write her own music them. Nobody not write the music for her. Lisa is a girl who just, they write a song, she go in her med, smoke her cigarette and she just start find lyrics. So that are the thing them where Lisa run from get the medic, like the injection, because it slow her up. You see, if somebody run her, if force her, if tell her, say, take the pill, yes, she good. She go better. Because if I have a sickness, you have to work with your sickness like the pill as well. You understand what I mean? Yeah. But she don't have nobody around her like that. You have most people come around her. Bro, my cousin, bro, I can't tell you enough people come around her, use her, you know.
Jano, I'm glad to share get the help so far, isn't me? Boy, I'm glad to share our family them the owner, and you know, it basically go clear up some things. You know, it must say basically some of the allegations that she made about her father, but man is not true. But guys, let's get into some more of the clips. But before we do, make sure you like up the video. Listen to some more of this our cousin.
And it affect her brain too, you know, Bridget. Lisa a bright girl, you know, Lisa look like she a dunce. A queen, she go in a bad man. She grow good, you know. You feel like she grow she good. She grow good. Any badness where she follow, half of them she follow. Kartel them. And her followers them where them grow up Portmore. You get what me I say? But her bloodline by her mother side, they would come from a good family. I tell you that, bro. So, it's hard to come out of that and she just in that. We have to just wait till, as well we say we as family, Ben her from the gang, the brother. And nobody not lick out pan Kartel neither. You see, cause me artist, nobody not lick out pan him, man. We nobody not bash him. You understand? Him supposed to know her too. You understand? We not really like say we are bash him as a family and say, oh, wait. But him knowing himself, deal with her good too, brother. Deal with her good, bro. Deal with her good.
That is it, yeah.
Him baby mother put out you have to understand. For them thing, remember me and a musician, we just know our family and we know what we know. You have a thing to do it in our past, she pre her past. If only don't know she pre her past, you know, she pre her past wicked in a bridge. With where them put out with, you know what is what, Some decent people they pan this whenever one way, but her past, she pre her past. Yeah, and sometimes it ride her and that chick off her look at mental thing where she have. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
You have to understand them things, who do it. I just said people them are their own and do it. And she alone get where that look at thing the way she put out, and she alone. Everybody get it around him too. But she just who she go on like, as we say, Kartel push her up front, so she get bashed from all the people them at their own sheet where they run him and run the camp too. You see me, so she hold up enough things for him to bro, saying that nobody not style him neither, but we don't want our family go around back him, brother. She just hold her own. She respect him from afar out and know say him he dead fear, whatever, him good and him bad. Just love him from a distance, brother, and focus on your thing, brethren. Even the video them where you see she drop the video them before the sickness take her really. And fight it, you know, because she don't want her career end just so in a brethren. Come on, bro, she come from a long way, brother. She fight it and push out her music video them. Me their own her and make she push out her music video them, do her writing. We not busy about her and her relationship where she have her with her man them. We just want to see good for our family man that she in her life with, and not she have to just focus on that. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, we not busy about our relationship where she want in her, where she want to do, but we want to focus as a family on our music and do what she do. You see as she do the chief video them back and quick and fast. She gets sick really, because she have her pill them, I walk with her pill them. So each time she feel her way, she take them, but as I'm say, nobody down there behind her like that. To say, yo, Lisa, do this. Lisa, wait. Yes, when the summer take her now, nobody can go talk to her. It's like, even me, she brought up to her, just show me understand the sickness. Tell me about her, my mother disrespect me, but we just know it's a firm behind her and know she and she that. When she 100, she shall come out on this nobody. Lisa not able to go up on TikTok, you know. You must say she come out when she 100, she shall come this way nobody and behave how she behave. No.
Exactly.
She not behave so. So the facts we not time love how that site here, love how you deal with the official, and we don't want to feel like nobody in the affair. People they affair, but you don't see the sickness how she behave already, and if one of the policemen them, we have to respect them too, cause if even them did even put her hand on her, me I tell her she'd react away and probably the man would be feel disrespectful and put him hand on her. The man smart and knows that she sick for true.
Okay.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
And she not mad. And I'm mad, she mad. She just have a mental problem, bro.
So that
wait.
So based on what you said to me now me understand why her phone wasn't really taken away from her.
Yeah, you can't just grab her phone so you go alright, watch her. You see them a put her in the Jeep, you hear she say. Remember in a common sense, them have the handcuff on her hand, and she still a tell them the one we had to go. Not tell her say we come out of the airport, where you shall do, shall tell him, say, yo, don't touch me. Wait. And she still going on the Jeep, so you have a thing. The phone now, you see, we take the phone from her, and my parents, my mother make sure the police them come. So people see things happen and people just a chat. Them no real. Me not say the site here, you have what only for people attack. You have people attack good, you have people attack bad. You understand me?
Yeah.
You see how people say, yo, them for hold her and liquor and this and that. Oh, you for hold somebody if you ever go right now, she could have girl a stab and you get a stab, you can make, and then nothing will come out of it. You have to be careful and know what to do with her, brother. Because nothing will come out of it, and then you go hear them say the family this and we should have reach out and we should have this and we should have that. The family no want to do them too. So somebody like me I want to talk to, no. Me firm for hold her and you understand, talk to her and wait, but sometimes you don't know, sometimes as well. See we do it there, she alright, she there in the hospital, she take her medication, then she get her rest, notice she not gonna live, she not whatever. We take the phone them from her. She on the pill. We don't want the family, we don't want she getting an injection. You see me, the injection I'm gonna slow her up, mash up her career, brother. You see me? And it's a talented artist too, brother. Just like so. And she alone have the sickness in the music shit, in the music thing. How only if I look a girl and man have it too. Summertime and I hear about them because them family take them and go and cheat them. Nobody know their own her. So now for understand, brother, she and her father alone, I think him can't manage her. Him can't manage her. She and her father alone live. Him for manage her. He one big man. We are go through film problem to where grow her. You have to understand, bro. You have to understand, bro. Nobody no young na there up at the yard like that.
Alright guys, we're glad to know that she's doing okay. She'll take her medication and all is well so far. Then take her phone for now. You know, we just have to pray and wish her the best. And Tripple X has some advice for us. He's saying that we shouldn't be so hard on Lisa Hype. But before we get into that clip, guys, make sure you like up the video, leave a comment, like the video, and check this out.
I put this out there right now to Dexter Daps and the people in my Seaview Garden, to Spice, to Pampute, to even Vybz Kartel and the entire Gaza, to even Mooney. Everybody out there, I put it on right now. Yard boss, big up yourself. I put it on, I beg on, I implore you. Please do not use this that happened with Lisa Hype as a reason to ostracize her after she get better. If you really true and truly love and respect Lisa Hype, I beg on a chance. I beg a chance for her. I beg on after she get better back, after she go back on her medication, because she is going to end up back on her medication, because the truth of the matter is bad things are going. After everything I go on, I don't want to set so and decide say I'm done with her, I don't want to fling her with her one part, or I don't want to give up on her or whatever. She have focus, she have a very good songs. The songs she have put out are very good songs, can we hear them? And a songs we can listen to, a song we can go and a song we can actually feel her, but she have got through the mental breakdown right now when she remedicate herself and she get back on track. Let us really and truly hope that everything work out.
Alright, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first one to get the notification when I upload a new video. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.